let's not get it twisted, baby. This is not a quick get, how do you say it? This is not a get rich quick scheme. I'm happy that phrase is not even in my vocabulary to say it right, because anything that requires hustling, anything that requires overworking, anything that requires being stressed out, baby, get it far away from me. I want nothing to do with it, baby. Okay. So in 2026, we are utilizing our God given talents to reap the benefits of what God truly has for us. And one of the things that I wanted to talk about today regarding dog breeding is the dog, like the backside of it, the dark side of it. And when I say dark side, not in a negative light, but the side that people rarely show, right?